Hi, Todd again with the Max Rhymes Foundation, video number 2 for our principals. And it dawned on me after yesterday's video, I forgot to show you the teacher activity book. So this is the book, 8.5 by 11. It encompasses all of the books in the series. It's got the vocabulary, it's got the coloring, it's got the problem solving, classroom projects, ... you name it. In addition, like I mentioned, every parent will get the PDF version of the parent guide, which has home projects, and they'll be able to print as many copies as needed. But in today's segment, and again to keep these short, I want to get into the science behind the rhymes. Because quite honestly, if it weren't for the science, I would have never written these books. I was not interested in writing children's books. What I was interested in is changing lives. And that's what we believe Max Rhymes will do and can do when it's embraced. So to give you a simple understanding, to the untrained eye, the Max Rhymes books are they're just cute books with a positive message. And that's what's wonderful. There's a bit of magic to them because parents love them, and more importantly, the children fall in love with them. But to the trained eye, and through the research I did through Dr. Bruce Lipton. Now, Dr. Bruce Lipton, you may or may not know him. He's a best-selling author. He's a cellular biologist. He was doing stem cell research back in the late 60s, before people even knew what a stem cell was. And he's the world's leading authority on epigenetics. Now, it's a big word. You might not even know what that is. I didn't until I did this research. And it was through the research through Dr. Bruce Lipton of what prompted us to write the Max Rhymes series. Because I happen to be a junkie on this, I study brainwaves, epigenetics, get into quantum physics, and I took a lot of that deep knowledge and I simplified it into something that is now known to be scientifically proven to work. And that's why Dr. Bruce Lipton has highly endorsed the book series, because he understands we're at the programming stages of life. So what makes them different? What makes them unique? Well, all the rhymes are said in the present tense. So they're said in the present tense, so it's stating a belief and affirming a belief within the child. And now we're capitalizing on the theta brainwave, where the kids learn really hypnotically. So that message is being lodged at the subconscious, kind of much like I remember Mother Goose's Humpty Dumpty. I could recite the whole rhyme. It's cute and it's fun and it helps retention, but the message itself doesn't really help me. That's where Max Rhymes differs, because the future children, as they become adults, will remember all of the Max Rhymes rhymes, but the messages will mean something. So therein lies the difference. And through epigenetics, again, they are scientifically proven to work. So I would implore you to go to our website, maxrhymes.com, and read more about the science behind the rhymes. In our next segment, I'm going to get into the longevity of our foundation and what we plan on doing for adopting your school, how long that can last, and how you could be nominated for phase 2 of the adoption process. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then.